Today I will talk about public relations. It is one of the mode of marketing communication, and this lecture is one of my series of lectures on marketing management. Public relations, started as publicity, is defined as helping an organization and its public adapt mutually to each other. According to Philip Kotler, public relation activities include various programs to promote or protect companies' image or individual products. According to Indian Institute of public relations practice is the planned and sustained efforts to establish and maintain goodwill and mutual understanding between an organization and its public. Major tools of public relations include publications, for example, magazines, events, for example, conferences and seminars, sponsorship, example, sports and cultural events, public service activities, and news and speeches. What are the advantages of public relations? It supplement and enhance the impact of advertising effort. It helps in creating a market. Sometimes market is blocked. An organization should not only identify the chief gatekeeper, but also determine the right mix of incentives to offer. There is a need for supplying benefits to parties other than target consumers. These so-called third parties include governments, labor unions, and other interest groups. Other advantages include influencing non-consumer groups, influencing the influencers in crisis, known as crisis communication, influencing the dealers and salespeople, influencing direct consumers through means other than advertising, influencing employees to serve the customers. Other advantages include social media management and lobbying, that is, dealing with government officials for a particular favor or promotion. So, this is all for today. Thank you very much.